Short story, I was very sick today, so I called my girlfriend and told her let's go to the beach because the doctor said I needed rest. Yeah, so I went to the metro, this me and she going to the beach. And this is Marina metro station. So everything started well. We're all dressed up, wearing light clothing. We had with us some sandwiches. You can see the stop sign for the beach. And it's at Marina, you can see like Marina is a very beautiful city. I think it's not really a city, like just a place in Dubai. It has water areas, beautiful tall towers, and you can see those I don't know, is it ship? They are not ships, like they're boats, mostly for boat cruise. Yes, they have lots of them for boat cruise. Marina brings like a whole lot of fun to Dubai, from boat cruise to party and on the boat, birthday, wedding ceremonies on water. And you know the popular saying, whatever happens on the boat stays on the boat. Bibi, this is Dubai. Yes, going further, this is the Tram line. Yes, so the Tram is a very interesting piece of machine that has that. I think just a couple of countries, these are developed countries that have the Tram line. It's just like a mini train that also cross through. I love it. It's amazing. Dubai is very, very well developed in terms of technology, and it's an electronic tram. That the metro stations are electronic also. That's why the tram line. So this is we going to the Marina Beach, almost to the entrance. Like you can see the architectural works. Architectural works are very magnificent. The streets are beautiful. So we can see the roller coaster. The roller coaster is like showing the entrance of the Marina Beach. That shows us we are already at our location, at our destination. And close by we go to what I call the home of bones. Why? Because of the bones there, the skeletons, just like Halloween. I like the architectural work. This one has the security cloth on it, making it look almost real. Like, get to see this in the night, you will be so scared. See as they're climbing like The Walking Dead. If you watch The Walking Dead, it was fascinating. And there was a lot of people taking pictures. So me, I also went and decided to like strangle this one, kill the dead, kill the undead. Oh, his heart broke. Wow. It didn't really break like that, but it looks like I finally achieved my aim. I was able to like strangle it. I killed it the second time, and we had to fix it back. Wow. And moving on, we got to the beach and it was crowded. And it was around, we got there around like 11 in the morning. It was crowded, a whole lot of people. We're already there at the beach, having fun, beautiful scenery. You can see the roller coasters at the corner, the left hand side, the trees at the right hand side, and everyone was decorated. And yes, like the rules and regulation guarding the beach, which tourists and residents, even the locals alike, must obey. You can see all tents are almost filled up. Yes. If you want to get the big tents are around 210. Then the shorter tent, the smaller umbrellas are around 190 dirhams. So big one, and anyone's your choice. Yeah, we have fun here. A whole lot of people from different nationalities. Habibi, come to Dubai. Yes, my dress sense can be awkward. I'm dressed like an Indian prince. Wow, it's interesting. You think I'm Punjab? I see my girl. She was dressed in a vintage dress for the beach. We had like having an apple because we didn't eat much. So yeah, too. If you take a shower, you have to pay 50 dirhams. Yes, and also you can also keep your stuff for 5 dirhams. Have a key. Yeah, and therefore there we can see the flyboats. They have one hell of a time. So yeah, if you want to take a shower, you get to pay. You want to keep your things, you have to pay. You want to make, have to pay. But going to the beach is free, entirely free, and secured. If you pay for the tent, I think you have refreshments. Yes, so these are tents, occupied tents already. A lot of family brought safety gear. You have to go to the water at your own risk, but it's safe. It's pretty safe. You can see the flyboats doing the magic, people washing from afar, some other people in the water, and catching fun. Some people sun-tanning, some people were like tanning themselves, sunbathing, just basically having fun. Different nationalities coming together to bond. It's amazing, very amazing. And from afar you can see. So moving further, we got to this beautiful part of the beach, and we decided to take pictures. Then after taking pictures, we moved down to the games center. They had a place for games. Mostly kids were there, and also some few adults. You could basically play any game here and also win something. Yeah, like a toy, something like a toy. Some teddies, some sweets, and even coupons, game coupons you can be won here. Yes, you can see, pick games to keep your kids busy. Very beautiful setting, just like a carnival. You can see the horses. What did they call these horses again? Forgotten. It's something shaking horses. So we wanted to play basketball. Then I realized that she didn't know how to play basketball, and that would be like like I'm cheating on her. So I think 3 balls is one ball is 5 dirham. 1 ball is 15 dirham, 3 balls is 30 dirhams to play. So you get to play, and you play 1 ball is 15 dirhams. You play 3 balls is 30 dirhams. So you get paid. So this place is a very beautiful place. A lot of toys, a lot of gifts, and a lot of fun. And yeah, it's like where we have rent a car. We have different type of Ferrari, the yellow, the red, the blue Ferrari, the green Ferrari. That's from Supercars. Please note, I'm not advertising from them, but they have a like selections of cars. And this is like a tour bus. So a whole lot of people that come to the beach, they like just rent. Going home. We're going home already. It's a tiring day. We thank God for today.